fire. This is approximately 15-20 minutes into the burn. Couple temperature readings. So kindling fire for like I said, about 20 minutes. Our cooktop is about 220 degrees. Side of the stove reading about 74. And our front glass is about 168 degrees. So we're gonna move into our medium fire. So I am pretty much burned through my medium burn. 2 very small logs left. So overall the stove has been burning for close to an hour. So about like 20 minutes for my kindling fire and about another like 30 to 40 minutes for my medium fire before I go into my hot fire. So I just want to give you guys some temperature readings on my medium fire. So my cook plate, 300 and about 40 degrees on my medium burn, and this is going to be my hottest area. I'm going to give you a side panel reading. Side panel, top of the side panel, 85 degrees. Bottom of the side panel, 64 degrees. Alright, so I'm going to head into my hot burn. Again, my oven is still not activated because when you're doing your first burn, you're curing paint, getting the stove ready. You really don't want to be cooking or baking in the stove. So when you're not cooking, when you're not baking, do not activate your oven damper controls, okay? You want to run the stove with the oven damper open only when you're actually baking in the unit. Officially, from low to medium to high burn, which we're not even through our high burn. Stove's been burning about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45 minutes. So, temperature readings. Middle cook plate is 655 degrees. I'm sorry, your hottest cook plate directly over the firebox. Your middle cook plate, I got about 475 degrees. And then directly over the oven, we're at 320 degrees. In between the cook plates, you can also cook. So in between the 2 hottest cook plates, we're at about 570. Between these cook plates, about 330. Top of the panel is, wow, 140 degrees. That's really not super hot. Bottom of the panel, 78 degrees. This side of the stove, on the oven side, 133 on the top. Okay, about 86 on the bottom. So this bottom oven is actually going to be a little bit hotter than that side. I'll give you guys some front door measurements as well. Front of the firebox door is about 350 degrees. Front of the oven doors, about 204 degrees. Middle of the stove, 200 degrees. Your damper controls are about, well, the middle one is about 130. Is it that hot? Okay, so yeah, like the front of the stove, 130 degrees. You can still move this with your finger. It's warm, it's hot, it's not gonna burn you. It's definitely touchable. So, like if you have children, you know, cooktop, yeah, you don't want them to touch that. This firebox door is hot, but obviously when you start to get your hand close, you know, common sense kicks in. As far as like the side panels on the stove, again, hot, feels warm, not going to actually burn you. So my oven is still not activated, but one thing I noticed when I'm burning the Nordica stoves is, wow, these ovens, you guys, they get so hot. All right, so again, my stovetop cooking is on. Nothing with my oven is activated at all. And my oven is pretty hot. So the temperature on the front is reading like 120 degrees Celsius. But inside the oven, let's just check it out. Rear oven temperature, we've got 370 degrees. Firebox side, we've got 500 degrees. Other side, we've got 445 degrees. And the bottom of the oven is about 285 degrees. So again, that is without the oven damper control even activated. So these Nordica stoves, these ovens get hot. So awesome if you're cooking like pizzas, chicken, you want to broil something. If you're doing lower temperature things, you know, like cookies, breads, that sort of thing, you do not want a hot fire going like this. Like you want seriously like a small to a medium fire. Otherwise your oven is just going to be way too hot. So if you like these videos, if you want us to make more videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, the more likes, the more shares, the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will film and produce for you, and the more frequently we will release them. So share it with your friends, spread us like wildfire. Thank you guys so much for watching, for your loyalty, for your support. I appreciate you, love you guys. Have a wonderful day.